dear students. Hello dear students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is The Invisible Man. It is written by H.G. Wells and this is a science fiction novel. So let us first see the number of characters we are having in this chapter. First is Griffin, and you will read in the chapter a lot about this man, and the chapter revolves around Griffin. Number of times you will see strange man. Strange man is written, it is Griffin only. Second character is Mrs. Hall. Mrs. Hall allowed Griffin to stay in his parlor, that is Coach and Horses. The third character is Potter. The name of Potter is Jimson. The last character is Dr. Cuss, right? And he went to the Invisible Man to collect the money for new nursing home. The whole of this story took place in a town called Epping. Now let us start with the story Griffin. So Griffin became invisible. How this man became invisible? He did a certain kind of science experiment, and because of that science experiment he became invisible. Now let us start with the story. So you can see here a man, his face is covered with the bandages. This strange man is Griffin. Now let us start. So this whole story, as I told you, took place in the town called Epping. So there comes in a Feb month, there was a winter day when this strange man, that is Griffin, came to a town called Epping with black portmanteau. Portmanteau means suitcase. And he came there and he just cried. He said that he wanted a room as well as a fire to keep him warm. Now he came in front of Mrs. Hall, and Mrs. Hall allowed him to stay in Coach and Horses in his parlor. And this man gave a couple of sovereigns. Sovereigns here means few British coins to her, so that he could take so that he took up his quarters in the inn. इन मतलब जहाँ पे वो रहता है, जहाँ पे वो उसको रहने के लिए allow किया, sort of hotel you can say. ठीक है. Now what happened? Mrs. Hall lit the fire in the room and she gave a meal to this man. Right? After she gave the meal to this man, what happened? She saw that this man, who the face was covered with the bandages, she thought that he might remove his coat, he might remove his hat, because there is a lot of warmth in that place. Why a lot of warmth? Because fire was lit there. Now what happened? See, she told him, won't you like to remove your hat as well as your coat? He said, no, I am very much okay with it. Although the fire is lit, I am very much okay with it. Now what she noticed? She noticed something more, that this man wore big blue spectacles. Right? And his face, as I told you, was completely covered with the bandages. Now comes the next character, that is Jimson. Now this lady says to Jimson, that is Potter, to go to his room and see what is happening. Jimson says that his room was completely locked for 2 days and there was no one. Potter, that man, had a glimpse, मतलब उसने उसको देखा, had a glimpse of him, और वो उसके बारे में बहुत strange चीजें बता रहा है. अब now what he says that this invisible man, that is Griffin, didn't allow Potter to come closer to him. उसने उसको दूर से ही देखा है. Now this man, Jimson, is saying that he thinks that Griffin is invisible, to which Mrs. Hall says that you are a superstitious fool. Now what happened? This whole story, as I said you, took place in a town called Epping. Now what happened? Certain kind of robbery started happening in the town of Epping, and everyone felt very worried. Right? And the police also found themselves as helpless. Now there comes a man, that is Dr. Cuss, who was taking collections for new nursing home, and he was also there in coach and horses. So he decided that he is going to ask for some money from this man, that is the invisible man. This man was staying in a room number 8. So he went there and he also saw certain strange things. What he saw, when he knocked the door and waited, there was no answer. He walked in. What he saw, he saw the invisible man, that is Griffin, was working. And when he heard, उसने क्या किया, the invisible man put his hands into the coat. But उसको वो हाथ दिखे नहीं. मतलब the Dr. Kurtz was not able to see. Dr. Kurtz was not able to see the hands of man, and what he saw, that there was 2 empty sleeves. Now, उसके बाद when he turned around, when Dr. Kurtz saw Griffin, he saw that there was no face. What were the strange things? The strange things were that he had no face and he didn't had any hands. He just saw empty sleeves. Now he also thinks the same, like the Potter thinks that room number 8, the man in room number 8 was a invisible man. Now a lot of thieveries, a lot of robbery was going on in the town called Epping. Now what happened? There were few people like Potter, doctor, policeman and Mrs. Hall decided to do something for it. What they did, they thought that invisible man was responsible for the thievery. They decided, so the Potter, doctor, policeman and Mrs. Hall decided that they are going to do something. So they decided they will be going to room number 8 where this invisible man was staying. So they went there. What they saw, as soon as they entered, they saw the bandage was hanging in the mid-air, and they got to know that it might be him because the man was fully covered with the bandages. Now Mrs. Hall screamed that the bandages were unrolling. Now she said, we will not be able to catch him once he get them off. He will be invisible again. Then what happened? There, the last of it, now come and catch me if you can. Now this invisible man is saying that if you can catch me. He says, nobody can catch me. Ha ha ha.